How to get App Store back in 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about iPhones and how you're going to be able to get your App Store back if you have accidentally removed it from your iPhone. All right. So let's say the App Store is removed. Okay. You don't have it. So many people, what they do is they go through so much hassle. They reset their iPhones, they jailbreak it, etc., etc. Now, let me tell you a way which is so simple to get your App Store back. So, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be scrolling fully to the right. And once you come over here, you're going to see that we have the app library where you can pretty much get your App Store in the easiest way. So, what you're going to do from here on out is simply go over here. And if you've uninstalled your App Store over here, it's going to give you the install option, add it, and you're good to go. So that is how you're going to be able to get your App Store back in your iPhone. So thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.